Hey guys, welcome to goldfries. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do very simple video editing. Yes, most of you are quarantined, especially if you are viewing from Malaysia. In fact, I think for most part of the world, you are quarantined in some way. So I think if you know how to edit videos with very simple tools, then it can be something quite fun for you to do over this period, especially if you're at home and you have kids or you have pets and you have moments that you want to, let's say, you have recordings and you want to upload. And you know, video recording, when you start recording and when you stop, there are times that it does not look that nice. So I'm going to show you just how to do that. And even now I'm recording through my phone, so you know that you don't always need a great camera to have a recording session. Just a phone like this will do. So I'm going to start by showing you what I'm going to do. And you heard the noise, and that's because I didn't silence my phone yet, and I'm going to do so right now. And let's start. First thing I'm going to do is that launch the software. The software is actually Windows Photo. Yes, this is the photo software is the one that you will be editing the video in. So look for it by pressing the Windows start button if you haven't, and type photos. So this is the app. Open it and look for the upper area. There's this thing called video projects. Click on it, and this is where you edit the video. Now on the upper left corner, there's a new video project. Press that one. So it will show you that your library is empty and ask you to name your video. So I will just say video 1. It doesn't matter what title it is. So when you're at this point, it's empty and you will need to put your clips in there. Now I'm going to assume that you know how to transfer your videos from your phone to your machine. So assuming that it's all ready, I'm just going to look for a sample video that I have. So my videos here are all game recordings. So let's start by doing so like this. I'm dragging the video over, so it becomes one video in the library. So what you can do right now is drag it into the storyboard. Once you're in the storyboard, you can decide where or how to load, and then this is pretty much the video. The video I have here is 3 minutes long. So but what if I don't want it to be at this 3-minute point? I just want to show a highlight of how the one portion of it, which is like maybe a minute. So what you can do is click over here. There's a thing called trim. So I get to trim by choosing the starting point and then the ending point. Okay, now this is not my best video. I'm just showing you the example of how you can trim the area. And when you're done, satisfied with it, click done. So maybe this is just one part that you want to show that is not exactly the best, or just one part of the menu. You can drag in other videos and put in the storyboard. And now you can go to this one again, do the same thing, trim whatever you want. Like for example, okay, I have this one. This is one of the cooler clips. Okay, so I want to highlight my kills for this one. Done. I'm showing my games, but you can have a video of your family or whatever else. So on the storyboard, you already have 2 clips. You can drag them around or whatever. I'm not going to show you the rest of the things. These are for you to explore. I'm just going to show you how to split, how to trim. You can do splits, add text, add camera motion, 3D effects. It's actually pretty, there's a lot of things for you to experiment with. So you can even choose to add background music and everything. But once you're done with all these things, click finish video and choose your export quality. And here are the other options, which is use hardware accelerated encoding whenever possible, and click export. And it will ask you where do you want to place the video. File name is, as for this one, is I put video 1 and I click export. And that's it. That's all you have to do to create a video, and it is exported pretty fast. I'm using a Ryzen 5 2600, and as you can see, it is already exported. So alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.